we will give you a chance. So good evening everyone. I am Anand standing here in front of you to explain a topic. Failure is not an end, it's a key to success, it's a path to success. So I think every one of us has a time when we fail in something, when we have failed the as a in everything. So failure is a teacher because mistakes are proof that you are trying, that you are doing the hard work. It's not the end, it's the doctor. Like it's a thing that you proof that you are trying to do anything. It's the lesson, it's the proof that you are trying because every master was a disaster. Secondly, we should learn from the great people. I would like to give you two examples. First is APJ Abdul Kalam and Thomas Edison. As we all know, APJ Abdul Kalam was known as the president or the Simon of India. Then he was paid to become a pilot. He was not selected. So if he stopped at that time, then if he give up on that time, maybe he's not that popular or that much popularity he gained that he is still known for his great work, for his hard work. And the second is Thomas Edison, who with thousands of attempts to build a bulb in which we are, through which we can see each other, and even at night, even at the dark area. So these are the two examples which can be inspired us. And the third is we should turn our failure into success because first of all we have to accept our mistakes. We don't have to give the excuses that I was doing this and that. We have to accept that we had done this, and then we have to learn. And definitely we will try again with again some potential, with confidence, and definitely we will reach the path of our success. We have to accept, learn, and try again, and we will definitely be successful because failure is not the end; it's the path of success. Thank you.